This is an HP Pro X Officejet printer, Pro X series. This particular one is Pro X476dw. I'm going to show you how to clean the print head. Basically, the print head of this unit is on the right side if you're looking at the printer. You have to open this cover here by pressing this latch down. You're going to press this cover, and when you remove this ink collection unit, you can hear some action there. That's basically the sound of the print head dropping down to here. Then we're going to open this latch right here, and that'll have access to the print head. I'll show you the print head here in a minute. I'm going to remove this side door for us to see better what it looks like in there. So I'm going to let these free on both sides, and then we're going to use a screwdriver or some pointy tool on this side. Just press it in, and this tray comes right out. Now, put some flashlight in here. Now remember that we opened this unit already, so it just opens just by dropping down using that gray latch right there. And try to be okay. That right there, yeah, you can see right there the 4 colors. It's not one whole line, there's a few of them. There's going to be about, I think it's 10, so one alternating in alternating order. So if you're having a line of a certain color on your printouts, that's when you're doing print or copies, and you get the same line in one spot with a particular color. Usually it's going to be black, because that's the one we use on every page. We're going to try to clean either that area or the whole print head. I have a solution here that already I made for all my print heads. Basically, I use some window cleaning solution, a little bit of ammonia, and I'm going to add some hot water so we have a warm solution for us to work with. I'm going to put it on a paper towel folded like this here. When you're working on this cleaning process, make sure that since the paper towel is going to get wet, it is going to be vulnerable to like breaking apart. Make sure you do not leave any paper towel pieces inside the printer when you do that. So I'm going to add some hot water. About as much as there is already in there, just to make the solution warm. Is going to give us better results when we clean the print head. So what I now do is I'm just going to dip some paper towel into the solution, mix it up a little bit, put it in there. I don't have it too wet, so we're going to kind of share it with the rest of the paper towel piece, and we're going to go right under here and try to clean that print head. So you can wipe it one time, or if you have a particular area where there is just leaving a blank line, just clean that portion. And you should have something like this on your paper towel after you wipe it down. So you're gonna see a black line, a yellow line, or not exactly lines, but you can see it better here. So just go ahead and wipe the whole thing. After a few minutes, the printer will just pick up the print head and put it higher, just kind of go into the standby mode. So what I do for that, I'll just put the deflector back in and pull it out, and it'll bring the print head back down to where it's supposed to be. I'm going to open this again, kind of go over the printhead here. You can see some steaming water, so it's pretty warm, the solution. So just go left to right, and like I said, if you have a particular area that is not giving you ink, just concentrate on that piece, and just keep going at it, maybe a few times, go over it. Then also what you can do, if you have a serious issue where the line is pretty thick, wet the paper towel with the solution and just kind of take it to that area and hold it for a minute, then take it out. Use gloves for this. I forgot to put some on, but you're probably going to get some ink on your hands and you don't want to do that. So after you're all done, pick this up, put this unit back in, and then just close the cover. I have it removed, so I'll just put it back on and close it, and hopefully you can get a very good printout. So I have the door closed now, printer ready to print. We're gonna go to setup menu and go down to print reports, print quality report, and that should give us the report of all the colors. Should be pretty quick with this printer. This is what we have. After the clean, just go ahead and run one clean print head, or just print a few of these pages, and it should just take care of the problem. So this is what the page should look like, where all colors are not missing any. They're not making any blank lines, not missing any color. This is the quality report for the X series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video if we were able to help you, and have a great day.